So NRPA is supporting, through wonderful assistance from Bobcat, 5 different sites around the country to implement green infrastructure projects to really help with the environmental resiliency of areas and open up access to local park and recreation areas for all. So here in San Antonio, we're very fortunate to have wonderful partners from the San Antonio River Authority here at Trueheart Ranch Park, building 2 different bioswales that will help to purify and filtrate water that's going to run off from the new developed parking area.
So the Trueheart Ranch Park has been owned by the San Antonio River Authority for a few years. But with this $50,000, we're able to build the low impact development feature, so planting all these plants to help with stormwater runoff, as well as trail development and planting with native plants.
Partnerships like this are great. There's a lot of things that it would take us much longer to accomplish if we didn't have everybody coming together. Parks like this are a great opportunity to increase our natural habitats, our natural wildlife, and to contribute back to that ecosystem that's become so fragmented.
Bobcat came to us with an opportunity to participate with the NRPA. When people think Bobcat, they obviously think the equipment. This is a whole other side to Bobcat that I think has been really awesome to experience. Getting involved at the local level, letting them understand how the equipment can come in and provide a better future for the folks in the community.
Bobcat Company it's more than a machine. Our machines, yes, do the work to dig these bioswales, but the work that's being done is going to last way beyond the work that the machine does, and that's going to provide a long-lasting ecosystem in order to take care of this park space for the rainwater that comes in. So it's important for our machines to do that work and make sure that it can be enjoyed for years to come.